Hello everyone, this is Amir Salim from AlphaSEOTools, and today I'm going to talk about a new tool from my site, which are new tools from my site, which are 40 plus text tools. I will briefly introduce you about it, but first, I'm sure you have checked my site a little bit, and the theme has changed. And do tell me in the comment section if you like the theme, and if you think there should be some changes in the site. Do tell me about it. The previous theme was not working well, so I had to change it. So let's talk about the tools first. So this is the writer tool. So I am going to the 40 plus text tools, and this is the tool I created from Replit. And it is indeed, Replit is a very good platform to create tools. So uh, what does these tools do? So basically, these are the text tools. There's simple things you can do a lot of things with these. You can play with your text however you want. For example, my name is Amir Salim, is the admin of Alpha SEO tools. I have written it, and I want to reverse it. I just click here and it will reverse the text. Okay. And for example, then I can uppercase it, I can similarly lowercase it, or sentence case it, or title case it like this. You can also copy the uh, output and paste, and here is your output. So similarly, there are also these are the tools, transformation tools. Then there are case converters. There are font generators which can make the text bold, italic, or however you want. Cursive text is also option is also there for them. Let's try here. So copy output and you can check it out here. So this is the cursive text. Okay, I hope, I'm sure you're liking it. So next is the strike through. Let's just, it's the strike through. Then you can also small caps it, superscript, subscript, however you want. Then there are crazy, interesting, fancy text generators, a little bit of that. And then there are text repeaters. uh, some utilities remove the spaces between them. This is like this. Then text repeater is like, works like this. It can repeat the text 2 to 3 times. Then there is the binary code if you want. Binary code, the computer language. And alphabetize the lines. Here is the alphabetize the lines however you want. Many more tools are here, you can easily check it out. You can also input your text a lot. The limit is unlimited, there is no limit. You can just uh, this tool I selected is the word counter, and it can count your words thoroughly, and can also tell the keyword density of your tools. So remove duplicate lines, it can also shuffle the words, alphabetize lines, remove line breaks, etc, etc, etc. So there is a brief instruction of the tool down below, and you can check it out. And do tell me about the tool, and if you like the tool, do tell me about it in the comment section, and like the video. And similarly, uh, if you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel, and follow my channel, and share to your friends my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.